Tutorial on how to lift the bed of your Kaido House truck. Remove the screws. Kindly open your Kaido by holding it by the wheels. Remove these two screws. Don't forget to save all the screws. Return the cabin to its place and screw it back in. Now, we'll use a clip and masking tape as a reference measure. We'll repeat this process twice. Now, carefully reassemble everything. Align the pieces with the holes where the screws were. And it's done. Let's put everything back. Don't forget to save the screws.